We should my mom acquire by Ghana and MTVGH. Message like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also, so that anytime I post a video, BTC will stand back. We should for a Ghana and Sem, right? With me support show no, support no here. Mumboy, Mumu number, bet me a boy. We should for Dennis has released information about the illegal arrest I see on Saturday. Hebra or return to Oman. Now, the details. When him say, not knowing cry no. Sa release that Iyoku for release here. Say, and 55 million B and all. Now afterthought. Omo say the news about the arrest of Dennis circulate here. Kind of be brace way there. Debbie. No. They had to find something quickly. Because according to information now, they say Yesanka, every nipa now involved, Dennis Hono. Monim say, Yokufo kept this gentleman for I think 3 days, right? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then today, before it was released. Tuesday before it was released. Now, for over 48 to 72 hours, Dennis has been with Yoko. Monim say, first day Mocheno, Omoyembisanushi. Second day, almost 2 hours a day, nothing. Before Omoyembisanu, Ombe question for 4 hours. Oh. Now guess what? Those 4 hours, Omoyembisanu 55 million Ghana cedis Sembia. Nobody asked him about anything of that sort. So if you arrested somebody because you claim the panel has information, has questions to answer about something, then the panel to for 3 days, and you have not been able to even bring that to the attention even once, it tells you they don't have a case. And I didn't know. A mafia nkwana person mafia kola no man no. Because Dennis is vocal. And let's create the impression Dennis corrupt in a way be. And he doesn't have the moral right to talk about. Am I more bonia ekoso? But look, and this evil. Dennis Amuhuno Sano. It's not just an individual. There are more of him replicated our MPP. More of them. Arresting Dennis. No, this you see say Monday. Still people went to show. People went on shows. You've brilliant deliveries. We have we have a lot out there. A lot of people out there who can communicate to MPP. We have a lot of people who can communicate. I tell you. And who come fields more. Come fields more. They well learned. Now you know, I mean, you, MPP we are talking about here. And if you think, say, arresting Dennis, and as capturing some people that might have served in Akufo-Addo's government is going to be the end of the competent opposition, the active opposition that MPP is giving this reckless government Iowa power. And yeah, you are just gingering the base the more. Our base, no. The party base, MPP's base, no. You are gingering us the more. You are giving us, you are whetting our appetite for power. That's what you are doing with this arrest. Because the way I am say, you move to me use the power, no. They say we are also eager. You can hear everyone saying, hey, when we come back, when we return. It tells you people now want to do everything possible for MPP to return. So we can pay you back. Yeah. And to me, this arrest, if people are politically wise, you will stop it. Yeah, but I know that you will not stop it. So keep it coming. Keep it coming. Keep energizing the grassroots of the MPP. When the time comes. Lie. I will speak now, but that time will surely come.
Abusia, made more update on the political persecution of Miracle, said bro. I say, no crane and ha, fact, and ye did Juma, and yes, Pussy NDC for mischief, no propaganda, no montrop. And the video, no like an share now for France, when you're being shared. Now, Tia 70 years. So there is a whole grand scheme by this useless NDC government. So, mobile trial Dennis in the court of public opinion. Omo fane court ankasa because court ankasa they are well structured and organized place. I heard the name of the game evidence ne fact. Evidence ne fact and so mu nibi. But omo propaganda ne mischief ne intro it won't suffice them. Nti baby omo su say omo betimi adi intro atwa ntro aye mischief aye propaganda e beton crofo asun because we have gullible people crofo imagine what form to say NDC full soldiers. The court of public opinion. Nti mo be hwa much of their narratives ne nsɛm a ɔmo ka nyina ɔmo ka wɔ social media any traditional media anymore. They won't take it to court. But sɛnea mekaeɛ no, some of us yɛwɔ ha sɛ yɛbɛ deal with every mischief, every propaganda, and throw bi ɔmo de bɛbɛ bia we will deal brutally with it. Yɛbɛ expose you. Now on that basis, ana meba be expose you on two false narratives. Two and throw mienu a nkrofo we push on social media and traditional media. The edi kan 55 million Ghana cedis a yoku statement ne wo mu say Dennis ne former accountant no awia. Ne etoso mienu this post a abrantie ya your friend David no ono or your private investigator ma yoku for the yesika etua ne ka ema ne the investigation ema yoku for that post here I want make it. Now Sakwana me babe delay with him. I'm going to have time for him from an echo. No, by the time I'm done with him, no big Janin and America. Yan shall share from a 55 million Ghana cedis are you for the show statement, Musa Dennis Avia. Now, could you believe say interrogate Dennis for 4 solid hours? They never ask him any question about any 55 million Ghana cedis. Yes, take it from me. Me say, how much Dennis Saturday and ajo? Edi ni tu mu a man cash na till around a year 4-6 p.m. Monday and ra. And almost an interrogation 4 hours, but they never asked him about anything. Any 55 million Ghana cedis. Rather, questions omubusa no bordered on a project bi omo sika involved 5 million. But I no crying and at the appropriate time we would deal with it. And this narrative omu put out there. No person omu deceive Ghana for they wanted to alarm Ghanaians inside the public against then they say omo dua sika chichiri 55 million. But then some entesa Omo interrogating and Kasani, they never mentioned anything about any 55 million Ghana cedis. Until no any first and throw propaganda mischief. As I say, you cure, you correct, and that is done. Now, yandele with David no. David no or no or Prempag president. Prempag ye private newspapers and online news publishers association of Ghana. Or no yomo president. Now this guy Yoko see you Raymond Acha. And he always engages this guy to do investigation for a yuku. I don't know same no. Now, Omode Dennis Konifio or Latino. Now Branty we come. And he took pictures of Dennis if you are Wessi the daddy and son over executive secretary to IMCC. He took that pictures and I posted on the Facebook page. Creating that erroneous impression, false impression. Say Dennis at ye Japadia Kesibina, a yes, canon or dear. You see, he is trying to, control the narrative in a direction. People will be angered and say, oh, Aquawe, a sikan or the Aquacosi dying. And basically, this is unprofessional. That idea, Aquawe, very much unprofessional, and some of us we will take him on. We will petition Prempag for this guy to be dealt with according to their rules. And Nema on Raymond Acha a ɛmfa kwan mu ebu mmara so sikatui a ɛkɔ so ɛma saa guy no his time will come and we can also assure him say ɔno ɛda MPP bɛba power the same mmara Ghana mmara na the same yoko na once he is involved with a state institution na yɛde taxes etua ne ka the same mmara the same yoko na we will come after him. We will come after him and send you an ene or share pictures. What creative false impression or incite the public against Dennis Edom. He will suffer worse and it will not stop at him. It will not be just him. Our businesses be care about. We will come after. So he should be ready. On the uncle on Facebook, no din kwasiasem no Jimmy. No on putting out false narrative or incite the public, against innocent people. He should continue. He should continue to do that. But me can say the day of reckoning looms. Ahead the year 2029, beba. And NDC be co-opposition. And NDC co-opposition, he will be a person of interest. And we will use same laws, same state institutions to come after him. That guy, he should be ready. He should be prepared. Only the NDC lose we are won't in free Ghana. Because
Romunacha, I want to win a woman. A Raji. Yaya Dio, Yaya D. Mamma, ye the MPP, ye Jimmy Fall. The Mamma, ye the MPP for your mammy, why you won't wait and I saw what we know. Ye, Yamubino, Yamami, what do you want school them know what we hear? So we are more crazy than NDC. I'm telling you, sister, one eye Yadama Afunier. Massa, the Ben mobile platform, the market some water 1 minute and not 2 minutes. I don't want to know. Messi, Massa, I tell NDC for him. Massa, much one there. I've been in Iraq, I've been in Afghanistan, I've been in Libya. I'm a retired fucking army officer. Now, when you tell, one move more punko, one move more one phone call. When you in my own sebi, maybe I may send no message. I can my maybe over at to force in Padrodo. Never over University, Technical University of Cape Coast or Sabado Bade. Emna Mobile Government, in the Rabila was sending a message. Also, Uncle, I told you so. Or communism, Minisika. No, mammy, to a moment is so. No, mammy, or to a moment is I have to send this girl money. I have all the documents on me. Maybe I'm a friend, my Mr. Man. And with all the coda. Also, I told you so. Portrait from money. Chaman, made the camera born who dia. No 2028 in American cum let us say. No, and two of my men people. As Massa, bye bye. Maminjao.
That's it, but that's it. All right. Marcus, I bet the man son of my command, I know EDM day we are.
Kumase,
Kumasi,
Maestro, me, and unse, Maestro, Debia, me case, John Mahama on. That is stand or plain on. Or share MPP for our on. Na say, ye be na a trigger or case. The nation is not safe again in Tinasadia. So transit to say near my bedding. Ebe stable and son of wedding. We're free so. And no an agenda because unim say, sir, 5 years as a more coffee bay. Yeah, the 5 years a cry no biggie. Third term agenda, 9 year day, emfa. Into the only thing they say, if ebia basa any ade dia then na wanya saa asofo na omobo ahemache mpaye no eno no mo ba bi gina ho aye den akeka di omobeka na Maestro Mr. Akwani tons na yo obo ne sen me kwa de ya me hubo ade de okobo we Thanksgiving esebedi akọ ha so bitimi abo amia tons bi na okobo inti the all in no nurse wakase we are not safe in Tisadia say me day metana so kakra because nema ekoso nyina no me dwene ho a mentiase Ose obi ayɛ ɛdi sika. Maestro me yɛ adwuma wɔ financial institution. Sɛ yɛka sɛ obi adi sika a, yɛyɛ investigation wɔ backdoor. Nti ansa na nipa na bi a wobɛkye ne koraa mpo sɛ bi a wode bɛbɔ ne sɛ wadi sika no, na wɔ evidence a wode bɛkyerɛ ne sɛ wei ni wei na wayɛ. No crumple no, the person also has the right to because ebi ade wei enye me na me approve ye enye me na me yes enye na me yes. Na o de also watch obi Saturday anajo, Sunday, Monday. Now say me the 50 million Ghana cedis na aye den ato ne so. Say sika no okofo me hu say bongo ideas posti bi wo X ne ni Facebook say Miracle Sabuaji fio se den wo late some White House bi se mohu a o posti wo Facebook so on tiase say
na so I am pakrampa Miracle Sabuaji osi agros no touch 100 kra adan obi ntumi nsibi Inti wako posti na mahu se nkofo akogu ase ebusa se oyɛ den na otumi nya se sika we yɛ den edisi se afie no na ayɛ nsɛm bebree na ɔkeka de yɛ ne de enti that's papa no ne plan se word na yi kwasia
ɛyɛ chencherenche
kwasia fodaka ɛyi asabe jemfu ye ado yes kare wa hin
Ayi, your friend say me no be ka say sisi nipa ne 19 sisi almost 20 Danny Rich TikTok me omaye oma channel e de ne kosam police station
Danny Rich
de koso no
that's how na enti
ne de ne na me show
na nche bo na kesi wa so bedo
Danny Rich oma channel Odi akawa so be 100 million
ka wasiam da Hey, rade go vie Jimmy
no so no Actually, the course in it is very bad, but the mechanic say I think say there should be unity within the party. Na afi no more o my dream so mo party no. Omunyi omunfim na yenya a united front ye bitimi ayeden. E dey akọ 2028 and I'm sure say MPP tem bia opposition be there beba no be say party no na divide but if the party there is unity in the party winning elections no enye bibia eyeden bia ye be sell ye message ye na yetimi ayeden e win power
Medase my brother yakoponi show we share china maya poni hene na yanko